One of the things which you got to realize very quickly is that Laikipia, Mount Kenya region has not been promoted as a tourist destination in this country. People talk about the Masai Mara circuit, we talk about the Nanyuki circuit, we talk about the Mombasa circuit, and they forget entirely what is happening out here. But when I look at this part, if you look at the number of nature, there are no other in this country. If you look at the rich flora and fauna around Mount Kenya, it is something which people should relish. And on top of that, for those who want to climb the mountain, whether they are amateurs or whether they are professionals, Mount Kenya is something which challenges a lot more than even Mount Kilimanjaro. And of course, not to forget this very shy range of mountain, called Aberdare ranges.
What we do here is that we have an outdoor experiential gym, which is unlike the other facilities where you have the machines and everything. These ones are manual, where we help people get their physical fitness better, improve their physical fitness in so many aspects. They are deal with your hands, you exercise with your hands. There are places where you deal with your legs, and there are other places where fun. The fun is about what you saw there when we were going up the bridge in the sky. So when we came here, we started off because we thought there was need for this kind of facility. And what is exciting even the more is the current things which people have been able to see, in that now we have got 3 complementaries which create a rich source for anybody who is visiting this part of Nanyuki specifically. In that now we have got the main hotel to cater for hospitality services, and of course with the rooftops, as I've told you, which is magical when you see the countryside around you. Then we have the normal indoor fitness center, where we have got maybe the biggest pool now in this part of the world.
Na so githii na mbere